In this tutorial, we are building a journey which sends details of newly created Jira issues as Slack messages to users. So let's start. Select Jira as trigger. Then choose New Issue Created as trigger event. Click on Link an Account. Enter a connection name. For username, go to Jira. Then go to Profile. Copy email from contact. To get token, click on the link in the description and click on Manage Profiles. Then click on Security. Here you will get Create and Manage API tokens. Enter label and click on Create. Copy the API token. We will get subdomain in the Jira admission URL. Click on Link an Account, then select Jira project. In steps, we have to send Slack message to a user. Select Slack. Choose Send Message to a channel as action. Click on Create New Connection. Next, enter name for the connection. Then click on Link an Account. You'll see a window. Select Allow to establish the connection. Select channel name from the connection. Type the message to send. Select appropriate fields from Jira App Data Tree. Then select Yes as we are sending messages via bot. Then click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, go to Jira. Then select our project. Create one Jira issue. Once created, then go to our journey to check our journey execution. You see, our journey is executed successfully. Now go to Slack. We can see a message has been received in our Slack with the details of the Jira issue. In this way, we can create an automation journey to send new Jira issue details to Slack. I hope you like this video. To know more and to get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.